Today, in this video, I'm going to take you through the final version of the internal review process that we have created, working closely with Anthony Hodge and the document controllers. At the start, you will ask for a document number, and then you will get an email like this from the DC, and it includes the document number as well as a link to the review form. You click on the review form, you will get a form, a user-friendly form that you can fill all of your metadata and information, and paste the number that I added, and then I will add myself as the author and the reviewer just for demonstration purposes. And the project, you will choose one of the projects, you have the due date, and then you have the title, test, and then you have on behalf, let's say, Anthony. And then you have the revision. And you have the link. And the link, let's say I have my document in a live link. I will just come and copy the link from here. I go back to here to add the link, and then I submit. The reviewer will get an email asking them to review, as well as the author will get an email to show them the details of the review, including the document number and the reviewers, and they can also request a review or approval email at that time. Let me show you now the emails that will come or will be sent to the author and the reviewer. Just in a few seconds. This is the first email. This is the first email that arrived to the reviewer. And you can see, because I put myself as the reviewer, you can see my name here, the details of the document. And you have a link to the document, and it takes you all over to the live link, and also a link to the comments log that have been created automatically. And then you just come and add your name, maybe PA or good, and then let's say green. Down here, it should be here. Green. That's it. And then you come back to here. This is the email that comes to the document to reviewer. And there is another email that goes to the author. This is the author email. This is the email that gets sent to the author, and it tells them they've been assigned to coordinate the review, and this is the steps that they have to do, and a link to the document as well as to the comments log. The author can also ask or request approval email if they don't want to wait for the reviewers to review the document. I can click on this and just submit, and then an email would come for me to review the documents. But let's say I'm gonna say okay for this document to be approved, and then I'll submit. This comment will go directly to the author to notify them that the specific or that person have reviewed the document and they've added their details. And if you go back to the SharePoint list that we have created, you know, the form, we added this number, and you can see all of the details has been automatically added to the form, to the document, which you click here, it takes you to the document and a link to the comments log. If it takes to the comments log, you can see the comments log is here, and also the details is there already. And also you can see the comments between the reviewer and the author on the SharePoint list here, as you can see. And an email now arrived. This email, it's to the reviewer after the review. You can see it says, the document has been reviewed, please see the links below for details. And you can see the comments from the reviewer, okay, for this document to be approved, and you will have a link to the document as well as to the comments log. You can check the comments log, you can see that it's been approved and green, and you can come back and say, okay, this is accepted or approved. And then you submit. Once you submit, you go back to the record here and refresh, and you can see now it's green and has been accepted, and you can see all of the comments between it's here and links to the both the document as well as the review one. And then in a few seconds, the document control will have an email. This is the email that at the end of the review cycle goes to the document control for further actions, which is most likely they will add a front page for the document to be signed and also uploaded into a site. That's most of what I wanted to show you, and thanks for your interest of the internet.